Most people move through life assuming they understand reality. Objects feel solid. Time feels linear. The world appears to exist independently of perception. This assumption feels so natural that it is rarely questioned. But physics did question it. When scientists began studying matter at its smallest measurable scales, reality stopped behaving the way common sense expected. Particles did not have fixed positions. They did not follow clear paths. They existed as probabilities, not certainties. An electron is not a tiny object moving through space. It is a mathematical description of what might happen when interaction occurs. Until observation, nothing is fully defined. This does not mean thought creates reality. It means reality is not finished until interaction takes place. Observation is not passive. It is participatory. The universe does not unfold like a completed structure. It unfolds like a process. This discovery unsettled physics because it challenged a deeply held assumption that reality exists independently of the observer. At the same time, spiritual inquiry had been pointing to something similar for centuries. From the inside, everything you experience appears within awareness. Thoughts appear, sensations appear, emotions appear, even the sense of identity appears. Awareness itself, however, does not appear as an object. It is the space in which all objects are known. This is not a belief. It is a direct observation available to anyone willing to look. Just as particles arise from quantum fields, experience arises within awareness. Different approaches, similar structure. Time, too, begins to dissolve under careful observation. The past exists only as memory appearing now. The future exists only as imagination appearing now. Experience itself always happens in the present. Identity, when examined closely, reveals itself as a moving pattern, not a fixed entity. A narrative assembled from memory, sensation, and expectation. Awareness, however, remains unchanged. It witnesses childhood and adulthood, certainty and confusion, pleasure and pain, without being altered by any of them. This realization does not remove you from life. It places you more fully within it. When identity loosens, attention becomes clearer. When certainty dissolves, curiosity returns. Reality becomes something to be experienced, not controlled. Quantum physics does not tell us what to believe. Spiritual inquiry does not tell us what to accept. Both point toward humility. Reality is deeper than our explanations. Awareness is deeper than our thoughts. Stillness is not something to achieve. It is something to notice. Beneath thought, beneath identity, beneath explanation, there is something quietly present, unmoving, unchanging, still within.